Hello Year 4. So today what we're going to do in our English lesson is continue reading Gregory Cool. Now, first job that you're going to have to do today is to read the extract that's been attached to this assignment. So read yourself through that, maybe even read it a couple of times so it really sinks in. Once you've done that, if you want to understand it a little bit more and just have a real think about what you've just read, you can also listen to an audiobook that I have recorded for you of the section that you've just read, so you can listen to it and just think it through. Okay, once you've done that, our focus today is on thinking about the characters that we're hearing about and we're reading about. Okay, so we're going to look at Gregory and Lennox as our two characters, and I want to know what is the same about them and what is real differences about their personalities. So you're looking for similarities and differences, okay? Because they're quite similar age. You might think that they'd be very similar in personalities, but that might not be the case. What do you think? So when you've read it, or you've then listened to it, you're then going to try and find out what those differences are and have a think about what those differences are between the two boys. So attached to this assignment is this sheet, and there's actually two copies of this sheet. One that looks like that and one that looks like that. Now the big difference is one of them is lined and one of them isn't. The reason we have that, if you're going to write this online and you're going to do it in a document on the computer, which you can do, then you'd use this one because it doesn't have any lines, because you don't need to have lines. But if you prefer to print out your work and you want to write it on the sheet and then upload a picture or scan it into the computer, then pick the one that has the lines, okay? So it keeps your writing nice and neat. Now you're going to be exploring the differences in the two boys. So it might be their personalities, it might be how they are around the home, how they are with their families. Work your way through the sheet and make sure you submit or hand in your answers and your work by 4 o'clock. Enjoy!